Hi class, welcome to week 2. And before I talk a little bit about what's happening this week, I want to reflect back on week 1 and start by saying thank you to everybody for your student introductory assignments and for sharing information about the knowledge practices and dispositions that you're interested in developing further as we progress through this quarter. One of the things I love about adult education is that it's a very multidisciplinary field. The field I studied, library science, is similarly quite a multidisciplinary field. And so I really enjoy finding ways and seeing ways that everyone's interests can be explored further in this class while still gaining the foundational information you need on adult education and learning theories, and also building up your research skills. So it's really great. I noticed quite a few people posted an interest in seeking out excuse me, ways of evaluating information, being really thoughtful about the information you find, and also paying attention for alternative viewpoints in the field of adult education. And that's exciting. I'm going to keep that forefront as I read your posts this week and in the following weeks, and see if there are ways that I can help make sure that we keep the focus on that. There, I think, are opportunities this week as you read a little bit more about barriers for adult education, and so that'll be interesting, I think, for many of you. Another thing that was brought out is people being interested in identifying gaps in knowledge or areas where their knowledge may not be as strong in their discipline, so that they can develop that further. That's something that's hard to do as novices to the field. Sorry. But as you gain more experience and understanding of who are considered the, authoritative authors in adult education, it gives you an opportunity then to branch out and look at related fields, or to start seeking out and identifying some of those underrepresented voices and understanding where they fit within the discipline that you're pursuing. Okay. I'll be working on grading your discussion boards this week. I went through this morning really quickly and just recognized that everybody participated in the SIA, which is great. And probably by the end of Monday, maybe by Tuesday, you should have grades for the discussion boards and my feedback available for you to look at as well. So as we turn to week 2, you're digging in a little bit more to the characteristics and motivations and goals of adult learners. There are 2 activities. One is a research topic worksheet that you're asked to develop. This is intended to help shape the paper that you have that will be due on April 22nd. It allows you to start exploring the topic, formulating the way you're going to present your topic, identifying a few resources for that topic perhaps, and get feedback on it before you actually write and turn in your first paper. The second activity is a wiki. And with the wiki activity, the intent is to build a foundational set of resources on adult learner characteristics, goals, and motivations. Secondarily, but not any less important, is to help the class see who some of the experts are that are writing in the field of adult education. So who it is that's contributing right now, and where they are being published. So it doesn't have to be higher education. I think actually quite a few of you in class are interested in higher education as a setting for adult learning, but again, feel free to bring in alternative voices and share that in the wiki resources you identify as well. I am traveling Thursday through Sunday this week. Just so you know, I'll have my laptop with me, and my pattern is I tend to check in the morning and see what kind of activity has been happening late at night. I am not a night owl. I'm more of a morning person. And then to check in again later in the day and watch for activity on the discussion board. I read your posts every single day. I don't always comment. or ask questions on the post. It depends on how the conversation seems to be going. But I'm checking in and seeing what's happening. So yeah, I hope everybody has a great week, and I look forward to seeing your contributions.